What is protein? You already know protein is a crucial macronutrient that's important to helping you reach your physique goals. But which form of protein is best? Proteins make up about 20% of your body weight, making it the second most abundant constituent in the human body, water being the largest part, which accounts for 70%. As well, proteins form approximately 80% of dry weight of skeletal muscle, and muscle cells need an abundant and constant supply of amino acids for the renewal of this protein and for the synthesis of new proteins during growth. Weight training increases the rate of protein breakdown and protein synthesis, but studies demonstrate that the anabolic response is greater than the catabolic response. Furthermore, studies show that protein synthesis increases in a time-dependent manner after weight training. In fact, one study found anabolism increases by 50% at 4-hour post-training and 109% after 24 hours. This prolonged and elevated anabolic response after weight training has spawned tons of research supporting protein supplementation during this time to maximize muscle gains. In fact, scientists at McMaster University have demonstrated that protein requirements for weight-trained strength athletes were 98% greater than those for age-matched sedentary controlled subjects. Another study concluded that subjects who underwent a 10-week strength training program and took 20 grams of protein 1 hour before and after exercise had remarkable increases in anabolic markers and exercise performance compared to those who took a carbohydrate placebo. In support, research from South Dakota State University has shown that protein supplementation combined with 6 months of strength training increases highly anabolic IGF-1 levels compared to carbohydrate-fed controls.